Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Jay back at it again with a little update. I remember I had said something about trying to do daily uploads, and I tried it and ran into technical difficulties. Actually, my SD card stopped saving videos, so I would get like bits and pieces here and there. My solution to that was to ball out on Amazon and grab two 256 gig cards. And because I'm tired of GoPro batteries, I'm gonna just go ahead and start using the external battery pack. I don't know why I didn't think of doing that. Why I didn't think you could possibly do that. I have the option of using an external battery pack to keep the footage going, or I did buy a USB kit for this to charge my phone. I could plug it into that, but I don't know. I don't want the USB going from here to my helmet. It looks ugly. So, just grab a larger battery pack and get it moving. Let's get back to work.
Ooh, Desi.